pass and move. Patino shikatino chinjari me groove, pass and move. Mama sita chingo shakera mutuze, pass and move.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Dep 3 TV. This is a Pass and Move special, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our #1 sponsor. It's a Highlanders Football Club taking on ZPC Kariba right here at Papa Field Stadium. Very channel is ufuna. As a prediction. Man, say prediction. Put us up.
Sure, I'm sharp, man.
Welcome to Dep 3 TV.
Sure.
Kari Islanders taking on ZPC Kariba and the prediction are going to go and Janik Manamsaj.
Anamhla it's a must-win match le. Ya vele siyawina lapha. Siyawina 1-0.
Mariso Sayo.
Eziningi. Hayi ngongogo ezilongo linacho so liyachayelela.
Nice one, my brother.
Jerry emuntwini.
Manas born after game uthi prediction yakhe yaphuma yini.
All right, I thank you.
Uyaphetha?
Ngiyaphetha.
Uyazi Lucky Bets?
Lucky Bets yazi.
O register uphetha ngayo?
Hayi, currently ngisebenzisa ibhola bet le bungozi.
All right, ungaphetha ngeLucky Bets kukhona esingakwenzela khona.
Oh, ayizayizama after match.
Nice one, my brother.
Sharp.
My brother,
M42.
keep on.
Hayi konke kuhamba kahle.
Islanders taking on ZPC Kariba and the prediction yakhe namhlanje.
Lamhla I'm say Islanders will win this match by 2-1. Cabanga ukuthi abangahlohla namhlanje ngicabangela uAdikwan uBenjamin Adikwan ngibuye ngicabangele Elo Andrew Mbebe if given chance. Thank you, sir.
All right, Manas born after match uyaphetha lawo?
No, I am bet.
Lucky Bets uyazi?
No.
uLucky Bets uhamba kuluckybets.co.zw uregister khona phana kuLucky Bets. Uqala mepe nce isikoleni sakho ngasibamba kukhona okunye esingakwenza khona and iyawunikeza ama free bets.
Siyabonga senza njalo mfowethu.
Nice one, my brother. Sharp. My brother. Njobi ibhasi yeZPC suvale nce prediction yakho la. My brother, welcome to Dep 3 TV.
Keep on.
Mnandi bhuti wami. Islanders versus ZPC Kariba. Uyibona njani game namhlanje?
All right, first and foremost ukhuluma lo Luphahla weboss.
Luphahla zithini mthara?
Mina ngikrend mtali.
Nice one.
Yeah, I'm thankful for the opportunity. I think namhlanje we are recording our first win of the season. Because ama behind the scenes issues lawana khanyani bawasotha kancane. I-striker sesilazo. So at least we expect uBenjani ukuthi la namhlabe motivated. Siyamsupport thina ibhoso siyayithanda nje. Ukuthi wangena njani asilandaba kodwa siyamsupport. Esifuna ukuthi kanjani kawinise kafaka istrategy esiyiswi awinisa abafana. So mina today I'm predicting at least a 2-1 victory for Islanders.
Mbano hlohlayo?
Laphana ngithi umongameli uzafaka phakathi lo Raush.
Uyaphetha?
Angaphethe.
Uyazi Lucky Bets?
iLucky Bets sengiyengezwa ngayo.
Ungaregister kwa Lucky Bets luckybets.co.zw uregister uzibhejele ngendlela obamba ngayo lokhu zeni prediction ngisawunikeza ama free bets ungaregister maybe nxe usungazwinela something.
Thanks mtaka mama za register.
Nice one, my brother. Thanks mtaka. My brother Vetis
awufabura yami
mina lona very regular.
Uyakwazi bura yami ayiso grand vele.
Kanti iLucky Bets uyazi?
Hayi angiyazi.
iLucky Bets ungaphonga uregister uhamba kuluckybets.co.zw uregister. Uyakwazi ukuwina ama free bets kuningi khona bana uyathola into eziningi uthola ama free spins uthole uzibhejele khona ba.
All right, via lokhu zenini i-key holder lena wampha yona leyana. Exactly.
So Vetis Islanders versus ZPC Kariba ibona njani game namuhla?
Uyakwazi ukuthi khona into emfuna ukutshela singakayindawo kakhulu. Andi vele sile 6 draws. 6 games. Ungathi uyananzelela thina i-draw yethu ye6 yayimhla ka6 ngegame ye6. So uthi ukuthi khona ungabona sehlule ukuthi siphumelele egame ye7. Buru wami yabeka sakwazi kodwa hayi 6 games 6 draws 6 points.
Ngicela iscoreline.
Hayi namhlanje vele 2-1.
Ngalo hlohlayo.
Kona pano uyakwazi ukuthi so nxa kuyikuthi umNigerian engakwanisa ukuthi anikeze kuthiwa ngubani striker sethu lese sivele singahlohli lese side lese sili giant uyakwazi ukuthi so engamleyela kodwa mbona ishot. Yeah, I took it, 2 goals, 2 over 1.
All right, asibonani after Bora Sport Alpha.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Sharp Boras. Sharp. Islanders 0, ZPC Karipa 0, 2-1 yako lena isaphumanga.
2-1 yama isaphumanga, but the team put all the efforts. Now we can no longer blame the coach, we can no longer blame the executive. Also kusele kuphela ukuthi abafana babele lalokhana that thing yokuhlangana yokubonana lapha, but otherwise the team at second half played a splendid game. And I want to say kuMarwari vele mawendile isibo bonke abazakuthanda uyihlozala ngakuzonda kodwa wena melana le ndoda yakho uMarwari amelele wonke amalozeni azaba ngaye ukuthi umubu wrong wenzeni yena ka build up for 100 years anniversary yethu. I think the team how they are playing is splendid.
That's all, brother. My brother.
Ya neboss idlalile yabona iproblem ekhona kuboss asila mid asila striker sifuna strike uMarwari hayi iboss ithe sifuna lapha zwana mina sengikhuluma uMarwari right, but we need stamina football, we need a striker, we need midfield who's going to distribute bora. Boss needs to distribute bora with many chances. The second half is at PC Karipa idlalang azange bele shot on target possible ama shot we need uBenjani is good, but madoda sifuna strikers, sifuna midfield. Posela midfield. Posela umuntu distribute midfield. It's a defender kakhulu. It's defender kakhulu, which is no reason. Bora mele idlale, Poso mele lindi bora phansi. Play like this. It tape
Mana izu put us umuvumelana lawo. Put us amushap. Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Sharp. Put us ukukhuluma iqiniso. Yakwazi ukuthini? Esenta lapha negodini lapha. Akula lutho lapha. Ama supplier. Yabona indlela uMahatsha adlala ngayo. Usezengena esenza umsebenzi wemithi. uMahatsha se overlapper esuka from left back. Ebezonika ama strikers. Abuyezonika ama strikers ukuthi ama strikers kanjani ahlo yabona istriker lesi replace uMnigerian ufanele is very good.
Mana izuma sister umvumelana.
Mina ngithi uChivayo ngathatha ibhasi yakhe le yesidlisayo idoti ingceke.
Chivayo sifuna istriker thenga uNox.
Mana iphonja mana Butas. Buya.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Butwa mushap.
Ngiyabonga bhuti right. Uyazi ibhora limnandi. Into esisele lapha la ukuthi isikhathi asinikeni uBenjani Marwari isikhathi, but into esifunayo behind strikers asilawo umuntu osharp ukuthi uzasishuthela ibhora. Into esifunayo kuphela singabangana sithi bani uzibani singakhombelani ibhora ngelethu abafana siba right ikubona singahlohlwa sithi abafana bethu bakhupha uBenjani Marwari right kakhulu simnikeni isikhathi undoda lwana right uyalungisa into yakhe lengayikhangela into yedinhle lobo ngakhangela emuva kwethu but abafana bethu abafana badlala ibhora.
My brother.
Hayi mina
Mana
maposo manini madoda lapha mina mvunqambamanga thina ama supporters eHighland anti kule problem encane thina we believe in win and but kodwa owanamuhla iHighlander idlalile and we failed to score and then most of the people they're blaming Mawarwaru. No, don't blame Mawarwaru ka play also blame. We lose most of the chances idlalisile thina.
Ora mana ngizopura uvumelana la pura siyamushap.
Ngisabo Simba vo.
Uyibona njani game?
Hayi game ndodamli I think uMarwari ngiyayibona direction labafuna uhamba ngayo. I-team lay ishota nje kuphela ama goals, so it will take time ukuthi abafana bathi gel together, but I think with time i-team lay ingaqala ukuhlohla kuze aqala uhamba kuhle. So mina I think ukuthi uBenji nje ama supporter eHighland, let's give him time. Singasoli into ezinenginengi yekwemithi kabe kukhona ebhoreni abanye bathi igedile ivaliwe, but ibhora it's a process, it takes time. I think as it goes ama-gate zaqala uvuleka, i-team lay izadlala ibhora le. Yes.
Alright, pura samuvumelana naye.
Lundoda okhulumileyo lapha uthi uMarwari undoda lo okhulumile lapha uthi uMarwari kumele nikwe isikhathi esokuthi acoach i-team man, but mbona usinikiwe mbona 6 games mbona it's over. Umarwaru kake mbicha. Vele yena umarwaru wakocha epi team wasuka wabulala ingezi platinum.
Buya putha siyami sekhulumile point.
Marwar has been given good enough time, 21 points, 7 points out of 21. Isikhathi uSiphiwe kodwa uMartin udingani. Number 1 Martin udingani Marwar sephiwe isikhathi esiningi. Udingani kuboss uMartin.
uMartin unga
udingani kuboss lo.
Akho uMartin.
Yabe inathi kwamba
hayi uMartin ayo kumele azobukela ile.
But our time yabo i-team yethu is gelling up. At least asilama permits esawina.
Hayi yesuka lapho bebe. Hayi suka khonapho. My brother, sharp
and nice game here, boss one. But I stand to differ about abantu abalwa Marwar one. This team is playing a good game, and Tombano Agensa laba bhatala yini imali zabo. Agensa wayebopha national team le. Maybe imphathala imali kebo phabafana la. Mnikeni imali yakhe Agensa i-team iqalisa ukuhlohla. Wayibopha national team Agensa one. But Marwar singamsoli. Matita, I'll be honest with you. Marwar is a builder or yakanga brick, but in the Sugu.
Exactly. That's true.
The problem is,
all right, nice one. Where my sister Maran Kuber my sister Shab.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ubona njani game?
I-game sibona Stella uBenjamin ephume take over someone. Siyacela singama Highlanders fan. Siyacela Benjamin kaphume ungene someone.
Benjamin ucoach strike.
Ucoach ephume.
All right. Mana.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu unikisa.
Mana. My brother.
Yes, ngiyabonga ithubo nikele naleli. Yathi namuhla i-team idlale yonke igame. Kodwa ngani ibochiwe i-team lana phambili madoda hayi. Kumbe maybe engqe sifuna strike. Hayi ngoba i-team idlale yonke igame. But sifuna strike apha opa ohlohlala. Maybe asike noNox kumbe sidinge bani. Angikwazi kodwa sidingeni madoda strike esiyahlohla phambili ngoba i-team idlala yonke ibhola. Siyabe celebrate and from first half yonke. Angizwa.
Ngiqeda sawo umuzi. Mana. Buya budas. Nyawunika ithuba. Wonke umuntu yaphi ithuba. After lapha yanika ubudas. Mana. Budas yamushap.
My brother Ushap Skupani.
It's
me again, Uchivi, General. All right, my brother. Last time when we talked about Amatros bench, sathi sikhuluma ukuthi ubench kaboni gate kwathiwa thina sikhuluma ngoba sinathile. We are not drunk nxa sikhuluma ibhora. We are talking football. When you are commenting under what you call, don't say what you are drunk. We are not drunk. We are talking football. Ubench is failing. Namhla is 7 games, no win. Kathesi abantu bathi good football. If you are saying good football, kungela ama goals utshoni. Kodwa ukhuluma ngani? You can say good football kungela ama goals. Kathesi uthiwa team ibotshiwe. Alright, why kungela African team ewini iWorld Cup? Nxa kubotshiwe. Akuna team ebotshiwe. Bench is failing.
Mana, my brother, what's up?
Hayi ngiyanceka.
Ibone njani game?
Igame is beautiful but khonokana ukuthi ucoach usapula ngendlela ezihlukeneyo. But otherwise siyayakha as we are celebrating 100 days and ungoma gabe starter. Uma ninja abehleli and umanager ngupika bahlale but otherwise it was a beautiful game but lapha engisola khona ukuthi kare sisabana gedi
mana ngizelo ukuthi evumelana la wena.
Right. What I'm saying, it was a beautiful game but we cannot blame the coach because we had beautiful chances. We had our chances that we were supposed to score about 4 to 3 goals, and so we cannot blame the coach. The guys, they failed to convert the chances. But what we are playing, we are building up a beautiful game. what's important is that now we can start from playing from the back. That is very important. So we cannot blame the coach. The coach is doing a very good job. So what we need a creative midfielder. Like what the coach did today. We cannot play Monga as a winger. We need Monga to come as a behind. What they are doing with Mahachi. What you're doing, March, is very beautiful. March is doing a good job as a left back. But I think now we're lacking the creativity of the legs of Velo Konza. That's what is lacking. Otherwise, we are playing beautiful football. It's unfortunate that we did not score today. Otherwise, Bosso is playing very beautiful football.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah, me kuyimi iHighland idlala igame emnandi si shorta iplaymaker iBosso is a good si shorta ukuthi idefense is good as concede makopora and then Themba uMarwaru engathola ama replacement ama striker ama sub sizaba kuhle
uvumelana naye
mina mfuqaso ngibonga yani emuva sishapu uma athi bedlala ibhorela imnandani ephakathi lapha esent akulalutho iqiniso likhona phambili laphana lakho akulalutho siyakwazi khona lokho yabo unumber 12 la ngeleyo mbetwa nguShelton Moyo uyadlala umfana umnike nini mebelist 30 minutes adlala ibhora uyabona ubenza ngesimsole obvious kakahlisi khona okukhona ikusa kubongela but sicela ukuthi njani azama ukwenza njani ukuthi abafana labo abakho serious iqiniso likhona ama shots on target they are very few sicela ukuthi abafana bazameni ukushuta egedini ngiyacela kuphela otherwise mina ngithi good game besiphiwe ishiri ngesishona bathi siphiwe ishiri lana bekuyigive la bemele sihlole 2 or 3 yabo i-team ifile but anyway good game
nice one my brother mana ngikubele put buya put us niwoku umuntu ekhuluma my brother welcome to Tape 3 TV ibone njani game
game as always no results but what I can pick ukuthi thina ama results siwatholi ngoba ku midfield ngemuva la asila umuntu o creative ongathola igodi ehambe ngani ephambili enika ama passes number 1 number 2 ubenzi hayi
siswami bokushaba
right mina
alenda 0 ZPC Kariba 0 ibone njani game
ayazi lokho kubuhlungu we can't continue like this we can't 7 games 7 draws no scores you know ibora is about scoring it's about scoring so nxa sidlala singascore we can't continue like this we can't continue mina as a fan of Highlanders ngizubuhlungu ngenza ubuhlungu you know our first half yethu abafana bebengela that thing bebengadlali but at least I second half bese sibona there were some passes esiwabonile ukuthi there were ama chances they were there but they have to score because you can't continue unga display ama skills zakho yes but I game is about scoring we want them to score yes coach is there he is doing better siyabona la ithi here and this ngani uyachinja but we need him to do better than this we can't continue like this no more draws asawafuna ama draws we want wins
uvumelana my sister
labe ngisho njalo ngithi sesikhathele ngama draws madoda yes abafana singabasola sibasole but hayi sila into enzima esingayisola kibo badlala ibhora asikwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kithi kuphela bazama ukudlala kukhitshwe ukuthini but ukusabhula yaphuza ukusabhula indoda lo
ngani my sister ngayalunye ufuna ukuphendula
ayazi imputa sesidiniwe ama draw lapha ekhaya lapha sikhathele ngama draw kufana nje indoda ehlala lo mfazi ongazali endlini
uyayibona ukuthi uyayisha ngapi
into lisenzela zona lezi siyabhowa hayi vela ichazi le
hlala ukucamela ingatholi
hayi
la kumele uvumele
sihloniphe please bantu beHighlanders
la kumele uyamukele okunye
All right, ngiyabonga bakithi. Okwanamhlanje lingasola lithi uBenji what and makhayela ama chances are creatiweyo in second half and 5 clear chances ukeeper asevileyo ukeeper we ZPC ukeeper we ZPC uyenza umsebenzi wabo and all right kule striker akhale ngaso previously ku social media and libona ukuthi uyenzeni unganishahe ngoba yazi uyenza umsebenzi wabo serious namhla iyayilinda ibe unfortunate kuphela but eqinisweni anti iyenze yonke into kuphela amfundi tshela manga uthi lingathi uBenji kahambe wena hamba ungabuyi Benji kasale Benji for 2030
ukubiza khona
kahle ibhoso asikuthi le problem eningi uyabona egodini lapha bekule problem eningi but beku right ibhoso idlala ibhora elihle and then umahathi lapha nakhona I think for him it's okay cause utholani ichance yokunjani cause ngasela pace eningi kanjalo maye lapha uthola ichance yokudlala ibhora kanjalo so mikeleni but and then ibhoso kule problem ama strikers ethu esilawo lapha akala consistency guys we need the consistency kuphela reason uyake thola ama chance but as the Highlanders okay guys we are fine.
Thank you. Mana na utime liyabuya. Mana vula. Wonke umuntu uyakhuluma. My brother, what's up?
Ngiradi shikiwa what's up?
Highlanders 0 ZPC Kariba 0. Why wanna say game?
Game re Highlanders. Ndonzo wangu mashitara kuti Benji ari kugona coach ari kugona kuti mabhora rakanaka. When you are playing football you play to win. If you are not winning games you have a problem. So don't try to polish up a problem. There are problems. It's also Dimbare last season. We had this situation. Tine because Tokotora account by pair. That nema problems. We having my draws, nema lose. Right now we are having my problems. We are having my problems, and we are having my problems, and as a team. So we need to address that. Even if I was a Highlanders fan, I was going to say the management should change the coach because the coach is failing. Give that team another person. So good the keeper from another opposition. No, it's not. The keeper is giving a problem.
Thank you, my brother. Mana rasta.
Mina poto wami ngizokhuluma on a 2 point. Supporters point, a fans point. Fans point Benjamin Mwarwar strategy sakhe si wrong. Angithi si wrong. Benjamin Mwarwar strategy sakhe si wrong. But on a supporters point, angithi I support Boso. I'm a Highlanders FC supporter. Angithi strategy sakhe is building something for future. And Tina in the future will conquer the Zimbabwean Premier League. But for now, we have to be patient with him. Amatrola is like let's look at positions, guys, and statistics. And the statistics, everything is going well for now. So Tina supporting Abafana for now, and then bamnikeze ini executive amnikeze I player yakhe ayifuna istriker sakhe danki
yes my buya
manini phela manini phela
mina brother
ngishaya bhuda siwisi
ubone njani game
igame ubhuda sana igame na ngobona kwami ucoach asimnyekele nini irresponsibility sebafaneni umfutho abawufake second half ngabe baqalise ngawo first half ngabe igame lesiwinile but in future singathola obehind abangotsotsi le striker sihlokoze lapha siyawina.
Thank you my brother. Mana na ubhuda subuviti wonke umuntu yakhuluma my brother
afa Putas
uyibone njani game
hayi game ibe right and ibe right thina besicela into one nxa ukuthi abadala abafungile and sibesicela besixolele sicelani besixolele bantu igedi abafana abadlala ibhora ucoach wethu right nxa ukuthi abadala abafungile and sicela labo lapha abalele khona ngamadlozi mbe kuyini anti sicela besixolele
Vetis uvumelana naye
thank you bokhokho nxa kuyikuthi khona okhokho kuyikuthi khona abalalanga kuhle basitshele sikwanisa ukuthi khona siyenze lokho okufanele ukuthi sikwenze basikhulule uya understand akunjele nxa sizaba lamaposti angu3 sichama posta angu3 madoda siqeda khona lapho le substitution yethu ibe bedi ibe sicela ukuthi khona kube ngcono madoda i-team leyo yazi siyayisupporta mhla ka6 kube yi6 mhla ka6 sibele 6 points uqeda khona lapho siqeda lapho 6 games mhla ka6 6 draws akunjela ukuthi kuyini bokhokho siyacela bokhokho yes bokhokho bethu siyacela kumbe siguqe phansi ngamadlozi ethu akithi lapha ababophe khona laba ababophileyo abavule i-team ngeyethu wayilenda ngenkani kumbe size sikhala inyembezi yini thokozani makhosi napho khokho lapha napho
mana nawuphula mana rasta wani ususibamba uyavala ikamera hayi
ulungu nyabe ngikhanyele nangu ulungu okhulungileyo sekhuluma ngiyacela mina i-team yethu sayithanda Island thina sile problem letele godi singalungisa igodi lethu i-Island yawina uMaruara simsoli uyadlala ibhola lakhe elihle lama defender akasaka exgudu but egodini kwesile problem khona singalungele egodini siyahlotha thina siyawina njalo namhlanje thina i-team yethu le idlale nge85 minutes isigudu se-substitute kwathi lapha dephambanise khona ngokukhipha umNigeria ngamela amkhiphe kumele substitute uRizini ebesefaka lwana umfana onumber 12 ayimazi ibizo lakhe uShelton but uShelton is a good ball uyadlala ibhora umfana lwana kumele ehlohle but uswele umuntu omncedise egodini
mana yizupura ziyami
amna topan
mana swi my brother ushap
amna sharp topi mina i-team ngiyayithanda uBenjani right kakhulu but into engiyisola kanike abanye abantu i-chance yokuchama free kick umbeba engabi nguyedwa engabi isikhwaba kanike ukuguda yabona mahathi sicine ukudlala kuBhoso wayichaya free kick wayihlohla ngamzama umfana lwana singathathi inzondo lana ukuthi amahathi wayenzani but asimthandeni umfana lwana ugudu khala ama passes zakhe linganika umahathi ama free kick kan lizabona iBhoso yawina ugudu kakhulu umfana lwa
ngiyasona my brother nango ukuqina
Mhlekazi mina ngokubona kwami ibhola silikhangele kathesi abafana ba improve all departments ba improve strike force bachayina ama pocket libonini namhlanje ama pocket ngibachayi bazamile ngapha right left pockets so coach wenza umsebenzi omuhle ibed lakhe sila ibed lakhe iqiniso lithi bakhulumile uRasta nanga nokhulumile uphumile lapha abafana benza umsebenzi omuhle ama pocket bazamile bawachaya ngicabanga ukuthi singumthwakazi akumele silele njelele libonile ibhola namhlanje all cylinders zama ukuhlohla
mana ngizuphuda somuvumelana lawo uvumelana la Tobi
mina mntaba baba angivumelani labo mina ngifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso abafana bayadlala anti ucoach lomnyama asifuna ukuthi siqamba amanga ucoach kulomnyama yikho khona kumele kwesichaya amaposti ka20 yazi ukutshela mina ngifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso kuhlala mina uBenjani angihambisani la uBenji shoot go sidinga omunye umuntu ongcono we once had a scenario uMadinda i-team yabo 97-98 he can build a team but kalanhlanhla kuwina and mina uBenji kahambe sidinga omunye ucoach mina ngumbono wami kahambe sidinga omunye ucoach ngiyalitshela uzabona i-team lana izawina he can build but inhlanhlakala
mana ngizwele ukuthi uvumelana la wena
ya kathesi but mina into esengiyibona nje uBenji sokumele ahambe but thina manje asila power yokuthi uBenji simcoche ngoba thina simqhatshanga umuntu okumele asicochele uBenji nguChivayo ngoba thina vela asila power yokuthi simcoche thina simqhatshanga phela kaholiswa yithi so sokumele umuntu onguye owamfakayo abone ukuthi hayi sokumele umuntu apheke into zakhe ahambe thina sila power thina asimqhatshanga simholisi so akulanto singamtshela yona thina
yikho yini
sinike lama results
yikho yini phula
hayi kahambe hayi
mina lokho ngizizwa abantu besithi i-team iyadlala i-team iyadlala 7 games 7 points ama-draws kuphela sesiluze how many abantu abacalculate ama-points esesiwaluzile ku-7 draws senezi akula team ukuthi iyadlala madoda yilonke idraw kokuphela 7 games hayi it's not fair ubenji
vele upita kamfuni umarwara ntsho kahambe le bhasi yakhe uchiva kahambe le bhasi yakhe antsho haya sidiniwe thina sidiniwe sikhathele thina ama-draws haya sidiniwe thina
uPutas umuvumelana nawe my brother
mina into engayitsho Putas i-team right ucoach right akula ukuthi singathi asla striker angeke usole ucoach ngemistake ye-striker umuntu ositshela ukuthi uyi-striker if you are not a striker is not a striker akula ma-striker laphana
mana ngizwelolo ke ching kade uthi asiwukhiphi nje mana uthi asiwukhiphi njani
Poso
uthi asiwukhiphi njani
angiziboni ngithenda social media why
YouTube yebukela
mina ngiyabulala YouTube endami
Tape 3 TV YouTube uzibukela ukhona
sharp right fana wami
right my brother ubona njani game
i-game it was nice and a very interesting game ask
so konke ku right kuwa la problem
Benjani is a nice coach and you want Benjani to remain the coach of Highlanders.
Nice one, my brother.
Ask why.
Why?
Ask why.
Why?
We don't have strikers. We don't have a loose. We were always a winning team. We defend. As I lose, we need to beat in front. 5 Benjani strikers and we go with the winning team.
Mana yizo Putas lapho mvumelana lawo. My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yabonga.
Igame ibone njani?
No, igame was alright. Igame ibi right, ibi balanced, ibi right. We had a lot of chances to score. Mina, I believe ukuthi a game of football is not only the striker who's supposed to score. Ibhora la kudala lelo. So I think uBenjani kumele azame to also encourage midfielders akhe ukuthi bathathe ama-cracks at goal from Gachana, not necessarily ukuthi ufake i-pressure ama-strikers. Yabona even Nigerian today was playing under so much pressure. Ama-shoulders akhe undoda lowo mancane umutsha kwa-Islander is too young ukuthi angakhera i-team engaka, but I'm saying akazame uMarwari ukuthi a-encourage lama-strikers akhe ama-midfielders sorry azame ukuthi asondele kube lo muntu arrive very late in the box, cut the ball outside, ashoot esihlohlenini, not necessarily lama strikers but i-team good uBenjani ngaqhubeka.
Nice one my brother.
Bhuti omkhulu ngiyabonga leli thuba onikelona phambi kwenkundla ecolekileyo. I'm very happy with the draw but uBenji i-team right he should remain as a coach. Kodwa one thing lami enga-advise yona kuye sicela unumber 10 or creative. Uda is not creative.
Thank you.
Look esesifaka unumber mfana lwanomfitshane. We managed to pop around u-18 yayo sesidinga igol. So sifuna unumber 10 or creative. The striker isanungoma show some touches of brilliance. Siyamfuna lo mgongongo labo Reason Kwampiana. I-team right. Bazikhochele, we cannot blame the coach. Umzambian ubele diving header, the shot on target. We cannot blame uBenji. Go right khona ku avela ama-team adlala umsongo lathi. We are very happy ngakho ngikhana. We hope esizayidla izalimazi seziningi. Ngiyabonga mina.
Nangu uqina.
Hayi mina ngiyathaba hayi. Igame ibimnandi. Konke hayi angisoli lutho. Khonoko nje ukuthi ama-draws asiwabhadalelayo but kuzolunga. Once we get that first goal, more goals will come. Once we get that first win, more goals will come. Asiba encouraging siba supporteni i-team ya builder yakhanya ngiyakwazi ukuthi asila patience yokuthi siya builder but kuzolunga uBenjani babe ngama striker uZenzo i-striker umkokeli i-striker kuyalunga kuphela once we get that first goal but i-team yazidlalela keep awusevile abafana bayadlala ama-chance a-create ngabe kuthiwa ama-chance aphuma but ngabe yikho singasola khona but hayi kuzolunga asupporteni next game asazi Scotland Independence singayidla inxe yezawelwa asazi ukuthi chickenini ukuthi uthiwa inle elandela iCaps ziyabuya khonapha siyazichaya kuphela bozo ngenkani.
Nice one my brother. Masari.
Yebo linjani mina hayi ngiyathaba ukudlala kweteam idlala kuhle kakhulu kodwa egedini lapho kubuhlungu kakhulu khona
Abahlohla abafana.
abahlohla abafana abalungisise khona pha kukhona okuphambanisekayo
Benje imali yawo.
Ubenje hayi kacoach kodwa kulungisiswe phambili lapha kukhona okwenzakalayo abadala kaba lungise laphana babopha imimoya abakhulula imoya
Yabo Masari.
Ubaba ukhuma uthi ngala magama kuphela.
Nice one Khumsi. Khumsi sidlalisela ibhathi.
Hayi yebo hayi mina kodwa into engiyibona ibhora liyadlalwa li right kakhulu asila problem iproblem ekhona abadala njoba kuliwa abalali bona laba abadala njoba kuliwa so omunye agijima enyangeni lana omunye agijime lapha abayekeli into yabo le beleke bebopha team naye ubenji kasukume ngumuntu weMalawi lo kasukume fonele ogogo eMalawi le labanye abantu le bemlungisele ngoba umsebenzi wakhe uyaphela benji sukuma ndoda sukuma ngangcono ungagqoka isudu ugqoke ezika Undertaker usukume benji uye le eMalawi uyefuna umuthi la iteam ibotshiwe leyi uthi ivayile imali uyakunika imali uhambe eMalawi edinga umuthi la
It finished here at Powerfield Stadium, Highlanders 0, ZPC Kariba 0. Please remember to like, subscribe, and remember also to engage us in the comment section. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Thank you so much for watching.
Pass and move, but you know she got in a ginger in my groove. Pass and move, mama sita tingo shakera mujuze. Pass and move.